right hand, we have a new sentence. We're going to break it up into two parts. We're going to start with finger 1 or the bottom, and we're going to step up to this finger, but we have a repeated note on the way. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So bottom to the middle, repeat, moving on to the top. Then we will repeat the top and move down to the fourth finger. So bum, 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 bum. Now we are going to move our hand. So we were in this position, but I want you to move your hand so that your middle finger is now on C. All right, so in this position, let's go bottom to the middle, repeat, stepping to the top, repeat, coming back. All right, now to finish sentence 2A, we're going to come back to the middle finger and we'll play 3, 2, 1, repeat that. 3, 2, 1, finishing on 2, and repeat that. So middle to the bottom, second finger, repeat. Coming back into your position, middle finger on C. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. All right, now we have a little grace note that occurs right before we hit that first note. Okay, so before I get to the C, I actually want to slide into the C by playing the D first and then doing that again. All right, we're going to put it together now. Sentence 2A, right hand, starting with the bottom finger. Now in rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, very good. Let's go a little faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.